Bluehost versus Hostinger, which one is better in honest review? Are you stuck choosing between Bluehost and Hostinger? You're not alone. Both promise top-tier hosting, but which one actually delivers the best value? Let's find out in this honest, head-to-head review. Bluehost has long been a trusted name, especially among WordPress users. With traditional cPanel, phone support, and deep integrations, it's great for freelancers and entrepreneurs. Hostinger, on the other hand, focuses on budget-conscious performance. It's fast, clean, and comes with smart tools that make website management a breeze even if you're a beginner. Let's talk pricing. Bluehost's basic plan starts at around $3.95 per month for one site. Hostinger's premium plan? Just $2.99 per month, but it supports 25 sites and offers more storage. The real surprise? Hostinger includes features like weekly backups and malware scanning for free, while Bluehost charges extra. Renewal prices tell a different story too. Bluehost jumps to about $9.99 per month after your first term. Hostinger's renewal is more predictable, around $10.99, but for more features. If you're on a tight budget or managing multiple sites, Hostinger clearly wins on value. Both providers cover the essentials: shared hosting, WordPress hosting, and VPS plans. Bluehost takes the lead in dedicated hosting, ideal for enterprise-level needs. Hostinger excels in cloud hosting, offering high performance at budget-friendly rates. If you're planning to scale fast with minimal complexity, Hostinger's cloud plans are a hidden gem. When it comes to uptime, both nailed it with 100% in recent tests, but response time and load speed are where Hostinger pulls ahead. Thanks to Lightspeed servers, Hostinger loads in just over a second on desktop. Bluehost, while reliable, averaged over 2 seconds. If your goal is a snappy user experience and better SEO rankings, speed matters and Hostinger wins this round. Both hosts offer unmetered bandwidth, but fair usage rules apply. Bluehost handles moderate traffic well but recommends upgrading for large surges. Hostinger's business and cloud plans are more resilient for growing traffic, and they include smart resource management. Planning to scale? You'll want to consider Hostinger's cloud plans or Bluehost's VPS options. Both Bluehost and Hostinger offer free SSL certificates, DDoS protection, and basic firewalls. But Hostinger includes domain privacy, malware scanning, and two-factor authentication right from their cheaper plans. Bluehost offers strong security too, but you'll need to pay for daily backups or malware detection. For hands-free safety, Hostinger gives you more protection without the extra cost. Bluehost offers 24/7 phone, chat, and email support, perfect if you prefer speaking to a real human. Hostinger doesn't have phone support but compensates with lightning-fast live chat, email support, and a smart AI assistant that's surprisingly helpful. Hostinger also has clean, visual tutorials, great for beginners. If voice support is a must, go with Bluehost. If fast, efficient help is your style, Hostinger gets it done. So, what kind of website are you building? For portfolios, blogs, or small businesses, both options will work. If you're launching multiple websites, Hostinger's plans offer more space to grow. New to websites? Hostinger's hPanel is beginner-friendly. More experienced users might prefer Bluehost's familiar cPanel. Want phone support and official WordPress endorsement? Bluehost delivers. Need blazing speed, great value, and smart tools? Hostinger is the clear choice. In our opinion, Hostinger comes out on top thanks to its unbeatable value, speed, and feature-rich plans. But Bluehost still has its place, especially if you value phone support or prefer a traditional hosting experience. Best part? Both offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try them risk-free and see which one fits you best. Found this helpful? Hit that like button, subscribe for more web hosting reviews, and visit www.hostzonic.com for detailed comparisons, expert guides, and exclusive hosting deals.